Want to create login forms like real websites? In this video, I'll teach you HTML forms, step by step in just 10 minutes. By the end of this video, you will be able to create your own login form with inputs, buttons, and validation. Let's get started. First, let's understand what a form is. A form is used to collect user data like name, email, and password. To create a form, we use the form tag. Inside the form tag, we add input fields. Here is a simple example. Form action equals submit. .html method equals post. The action tells where the data will go. The method tells how the data is sent. Don't worry too much about this now. Just remember form is the container. Now let's create input fields. We use the input tag. First, text input. Input type equals text. This is used for name or normal text. Next, email input. Input type equals email. This will check if the email format is correct. Next, password input. Input type equals password. This hides the characters. Now we can build a simple login form. To make our form better, we use label and placeholder. Label tells the user what the input is for. Example: label email placeholder gives a hint inside the input box. Example: placeholder enter your email. Labels are important for accessibility. Placeholders improve user experience. Now let's talk about buttons. We use the button tag to create buttons. There are 3 types: submit button, reset button. Normal button. Submit button sends form data. Reset button clears all inputs. Now here is a very important thing. If you create a button inside a form without specifying type, it becomes a submit button by default. That means when you click it, the page will refresh. To avoid this, use type equals button. This is a small mistake many beginners make. Now let's add validation. Validation helps us check user input. We can use required attribute. Example: input required. Now the user must fill the field. For email input, HTML automatically checks format. If the input is wrong, it will show an error. This makes our form more useful. Now let's combine everything and create a simple login form. We have email input, password input, submit button. Now when we fill and click submit, the form works. This is how real login forms start. Now you know how to create HTML forms from scratch. Practice this and try building your own form. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more coding tutorials, and check my shorts for quick coding tips.